From smarter cooking and effortless food prep to space-saving kitchen tools and fun home upgrades, these Amazon finds are designed to make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're cooking, organizing, or entertaining, each product brings practical value with a modern twist that fits right into your routine. All products links in the description section below. Keeping your kitchen organized and your food fresher for longer doesn't have to feel like a chore. With a compact vacuum sealer like this, leftovers stay flavorful, groceries last beyond the usual few days, and meal prep becomes far more efficient. It's especially handy for busy weeks, quick storage after cooking, or even packing food for trips without worrying about spills or spoilage. The portable design means it fits easily into everyday routines without taking up space. If you've been looking for a simple way to cut waste and keep things fresh, this might be worth adding to your setup. An organized space instantly makes daily routines smoother, and this rotating turntable does exactly that without overcomplicating things. Whether it's spices in the kitchen, skincare on your vanity, or essentials tucked into a cabinet, everything becomes easy to see and reach with a simple spin. It's a small upgrade that saves time, reduces clutter, and keeps your space looking neat without constant rearranging. Perfect for tight shelves or busy mornings, it quietly simplifies how you stay organized. If you've been wanting a cleaner, more functional setup, this is an easy place to start. Cooking at home becomes a lot more flexible when you have a setup that adapts to your routine, and this induction cooktop makes that feel effortless. From quick weekday meals to relaxed weekend cooking, the dual burners and griddle give you room to do more at once without crowding your space. It heats efficiently, cleans up easily, and fits nicely into smaller kitchens or even temporary setups. Whether you're trying new recipes or just making everyday meals faster, it brings a level of convenience that's hard to ignore. Definitely something you might enjoy having within reach. Taking your favorite home-cooked meals on the go becomes much less stressful with a carrier like this. Whether it's a family gathering, a potluck, or a simple visit to a friend's place, everything stays secure, warm, and easy to handle. The thoughtful design helps prevent spills while giving you space for utensils, so you're not juggling multiple bags. It's one of those practical additions that quietly makes outings smoother and more enjoyable. If you often find yourself cooking and sharing meals outside the house, this could easily become part of your routine. Prepping meals feels a lot more streamlined when everything you need is neatly in one place, and this smart cutting board set brings that kind of ease into your routine. From safer food handling with color-coded boards to the convenience of self-cleaning and drying, it helps keep your kitchen both efficient and organized. Whether you're cooking a quick dinner or experimenting with new recipes, having tools that simplify cleanup makes a real difference. It's a subtle upgrade that fits right into everyday life, something you might appreciate once it becomes part of your flow. When your schedule gets busy, having one appliance that can handle multiple cooking tasks makes a noticeable difference. This pressure cooker brings speed and versatility together, letting you prepare hearty meals, quick sides, or even experiment with new dishes without juggling different pots and pans. It's perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or those days when you just want something warm and ready in less time. With easy controls and minimal cleanup, it fits seamlessly into everyday life. If you're aiming to cook smarter without spending extra hours in the kitchen, this is worth considering. There's something special about starting your day with freshly ground coffee, and this manual grinder makes that experience feel simple and personal. Whether you're at home enjoying a quiet morning or brewing outdoors on a trip, it gives you control over the flavor and texture of every cup. The compact, cordless design means you're not tied to a kitchen setup, making it easy to enjoy quality coffee anywhere. It's a small addition that can elevate your daily routine, definitely worth trying if you appreciate a more hands-on coffee experience. Having a complete cookware set that adapts to your space and cooking style can make everyday meals feel a lot less complicated. With detachable handles and stackable pieces, this set keeps your kitchen organized while still giving you everything you need to cook comfortably. From quick breakfasts to full dinners, the non-stick surface helps simplify both cooking and cleanup. It's especially useful for smaller kitchens or anyone who values a tidy setup without sacrificing functionality. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials in a practical way, this could be a smart addition to consider. Sometimes it's the simplest tools that make the biggest difference in your daily routine, and this apple core is a perfect example. Whether you're prepping quick snacks for school, adding fruit to your breakfast, or putting together something for guests, it makes the process faster and cleaner. With one smooth motion, you get perfectly cored fruit without the mess or extra effort. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and fits right into everyday kitchen tasks. If you enjoy fresh, hassle-free snacks, this is one of those little tools you'll keep reaching for. Starting your day with something fresh and convenient can set the tone for everything else, and this portable blender makes that feel effortless. Whether you're rushing out in the morning, heading to work, or just want a quick smoothie after a workout, it lets you blend and go without being tied to a full kitchen setup. Its compact design fits easily into your routine, making healthy drinks more accessible anytime. From fruits to protein shakes, it handles everyday blends with ease. If you enjoy simple, on-the-go nutrition, this is one of those tools that naturally fits into your lifestyle. Keeping your kitchen counter clear while still handling everyday washing becomes much easier with a setup like this. Instead of stacking dishes in a crowded corner, this oversinked drying rack gives you a clean, elevated space where everything can drain and dry naturally. It's especially helpful in smaller kitchens where every bit of counter space matters, letting you stay organized without feeling cluttered. When you're done, it rolls up neatly and disappears out of the way, keeping things simple and tidy. If you like a more open, efficient kitchen flow, this kind of upgrade blends right into your routine. Outdoor cooking feels a lot more organized when your prep space is just as efficient as your grill, and this collapsible BBQ tub helps make that possible. From marinating meats to draining and chopping ingredients, it keeps everything in one place without turning your setup into a mess. The built-in cutting board and strainer make prep smoother, while the foldable design means it doesn't take up space when you're done. It's practical for backyard grilling, camping, or weekend cookouts with friends. If you enjoy cooking outdoors, this is one of those tools that quietly makes the whole process easier. Slow, comforting routines often start with something as simple as a warm drink, and this teapot fits right into that kind of moment. Whether you're brewing tea in the morning to ease into your day or winding down in the evening, it brings a calm, steady feel to the process. The built-in infuser makes preparation easy, while the large capacity is great for sharing with family or guests. It also works well for both everyday use and special gatherings, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. If you enjoy slowing things down with a good cup of tea, this blends naturally into that habit. Treating yourself at home feels easier when you can turn simple ingredients into something fun, and this soft serve maker brings that experience right into your kitchen. From frozen fruit to creamy desserts, it helps you create healthier treats without extra sugar or effort, making snack time feel a bit more enjoyable and guilt-free. It fits nicely into everyday routines, whether you're preparing something for family or just cooling off after a long day. If you enjoy homemade desserts that still feel special, this is one of those appliances you'll find yourself using more often. Fresh homemade bread has a way of making any kitchen feel more welcoming, and this automatic bread maker makes that experience surprisingly simple. From mixing and kneading to baking, it handles the entire process for you, so you can enjoy warm, freshly baked bread without needing special skills or extra effort. Whether it's breakfast, family meals, or just the smell of something baking in the background, it fits naturally into everyday home life. With customizable settings, it also adapts to different tastes and diets. If you enjoy comfort food made easy, this is a thoughtful addition to your kitchen routine. Sharing meals becomes a lot more relaxed when everything stays warm and ready at the same time, and this warming mat helps make that possible. Whether you're hosting guests, enjoying family dinner, or just taking your time with different dishes, it keeps food at the right temperature without rushing anyone. The quick heating and adjustable settings make it easy to match different foods, while the slim design blends neatly into your table setup. It's especially useful for gatherings where people eat at different times. If you enjoy stress-free serving, this quietly improves the whole dining experience. Backyard cooking gets a lot more fun when you can turn simple ingredients into something exciting, and this burger press helps you do exactly that. Whether you're grilling for family, hosting friends, or just experimenting with new flavors, it makes it easy to create evenly shaped patties that cook consistently and hold together well. The real fun comes from stuffing them with cheese, veggies, or anything you like, turning an ordinary meal into something more flavorful and personal. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and fits right into casual cooking moments. If you enjoy grilling, this adds a creative twist to your routine. Everyday cooking feels more effortless when the tools you reach for are all in one place, and this modular gadget set brings that kind of convenience into your kitchen. From grating and peeling to slicing, scooping, and opening, it covers the everyday tasks that usually slow things down while keeping your countertop neatly organized. With its magnetic storage crock and easy clean design, it fits naturally into both small and busy kitchens, helping you stay organized without extra effort, and once you start using it daily, you'll likely wonder how you managed without it at all. After going through all these kitchen gadgets, which one would you actually add to your own home first, and what would you use it for day to day? Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.